biofuels. Due to the scarcity of fossil fuels in the future, we are looking for alternative energy sources. Solar energy and biofuels can be used as substitute for the fossil fuels. These biofuels they are obtained from the plant extract. Important biofuels are power alcohol and biodiesel. And these biofuels they won't emit any toxic gases, and the cost of the fuel is also less since they are obtained from the plant energy sources. Now the power alcohol, it is one of the biodiesel and it is a substitute for the petrol. It is a blend of absolute alcohol and petrol. The blend may contain 10 to 85% absolute alcohol and 90 to 15% of petrol by volume. That means we can have 10% of absolute alcohol and 90% of petrol, or 40% of absolute alcohol and 60% of petrol. In different compositions, we can take absolute alcohol and petrol, and this blend can be used as a substitute for the petrol in the IC engine. And this absolute alcohol should be free from water. And the power alcohol is having certain advantages. The power output is good. That means for 1 liter of petrol, if the petrol obtained from fossil fuels, if it gives 45 kilometers of mileage, this power alcohol which contains the ethyl alcohol on or the absolute alcohol and the petrol, it may give 50 kilometers of mileage. It has better anti-knocking properties. Knocking is more in the petrol obtained from fossil fuels and it is less in the power alcohol. Ethanol is biodegradable, hence it is environmental friendly. It will not produce any carbon monoxide or nitric oxide gases. The use of ethanol in alcohol, power alcohol, increases the oxygen content of the fuels. So the oxygen provided by the ethanol, it helps for the complete combustion of the hydrocarbons present in the petrol. So thereby the smoke emission is less. It reduces carbon monoxide emission. The disadvantages of power alcohol is alcohol lowers the calorific value of petrol. Calorific value is one of the important characteristic of a fuel. Higher the calorific value, good is the quality of petrol. This alcohol it decreases the calorific value of the petrol. Alcohol is easily oxidized to acids, hence alcohols may cause corrosion of the IC engine. The acids produced from the alcohol it decreases the life of the IC engine. Alcohols absorbs moisture. As a result, separation of alcohol and petrol layers takes place, especially at lower temperature. The countries where the temperature is very low, in those countries, if they use power alcohol, the separation of the alcohol and petrol will take place. That leads to more smoke emission. Another biofuel is biodiesel. It is a substitute for the diesel. This biodiesel is a mixture of methyl or ethyl esters of fatty acids, and these fatty acids are obtained from vegetable oil or fat. Preparation of biodiesel. Triglycerides, which are present in oil or fat, on heating with methanol in presence of sodium hydroxide catalyst at 500 degrees, gives a mixture of biodiesel and glycerol. This is the structure of triglycerides present in the fat or oil, which on heating with methanol CH3OH in presence of NaOH catalyst at 500 degrees gives biodiesel. Structure of biodiesel plus glycerol CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. So this mixture on separation, we get biodiesel. Now, what are the advantages of biodiesel? It is obtained from the plant sources which are renewable. Hence, the cost of the fuel is less. It is biodegradable. Hence, there is no emission of carbon monoxide or nitric oxide toxic gases. Hence, it is non-toxic. It has higher flash point than the diesel but lower ignition point. So, since it is having a higher flash point, combustion takes place easily. It has a higher C10 number. C10 number represents the quality of the diesel. Higher the C10 number, good quality the diesel. So here the C10 number of biodiesel is 60 when compared to the diesel obtained from the fossil fuels. Hence it is a good quality diesel than the diesel obtained from the fossil fuels. Use of biodiesel reduces greenhouse gases like carbon monoxide or nitric oxide into the atmosphere. Disadvantages of biodiesel. It requires a high temperature to initiate the combustion of the fuel. Due to the presence of moisture content, more temperature is required to initiate the combustion. And the moisture easily forms water, and this water causes the corrosion of the IC engine.